Hi, I come in peace. Anyways, I'm being a dork. I'm trying to figure out today what's the best setup for my motorcycle. I know there's a lot of setups out there, but I've been trying a lot of different things. And in this video, I actually tried using my Osmo with the extension. Okay, it's actually called something. Let me see what it's called. Here it is. The Osmo Pocket Extended Rod by DJI. So this works well, but I was just trying something different. And on top of that, I don't know if you can see, but I use the chest mounting as well. And I've also tried to use the DJI Cube, okay? And I tried to use other multiple things. One of the ones that works really the best for the motorcycle though is this on the handlebar, because it's really quick and go. Mount it. The GoPro's on here. Okay, what I really like about this is that it's pretty much plug and play. I can just connect this into the phone. Go around this way. And watch how quick it links up. And I'm not touching anything. There we go, boom. You now see what I see. And with this little gimbal here, I mean, you can move up or down, left or right. Now, what I really liked about it is a lot of times I'm on the motorcycle and I gotta turn the GoPro around to face me. Unless I'm wearing the chest mount or a helmet mount, then I can, kind of edit before. But if I wanna just carry one camera, I kind of like this because I hit this button here and you see that? It flips around. I'm gonna hit it again. Look how it flips around. And there we go. So that's what I like about this, and I thought I might try this setup and see what it does. And check out the video. You're gonna see where I mount it first, and then you're gonna see where with the footage from the actual DJI and see how it comes out. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, follow, and hit that notification button so I can do more videos like this. All right, guys. Today we're gonna test out the Osmo. This is the Osmo 2, and this has the gimbal setup that one of my daughters just got me for my birthday. Yay! Thank you, Mia. And my other daughter got me the microphone for the GoPro, the microphone jack, so that you can hear me better. I still need to get the microphone, but I got the most expensive part, so that's to come. Anyways, this is my baby, as you can see, and we're gonna turn her on because she likes to get turned on like any other. Okay, we're not gonna go there. Let's see here. So you know what I mean. You know what I was gonna say. All right, first we have to turn it on here. And put the gas on. Make sure it's on neutral. Choker, because she likes to be choked. And be sure kill switch is on. And then turn it on. Here we go. right, let's see how that went.